Hi, I am Nasir from Freelancer and Programming Tips and Tricks. And in today's tutorial, we will learn about HTML headings. What are the HTML headings? Headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important headings, while H6 defines the least important heading. Let's take an example for headings. I open the notepad and declare the doc type. As already we have learned about doc type HTML. Then we start the HTML tag and close it here. Then body tag, start and end here. Now we take headings between the body tags. I have taken 3 headings and let's save this page at desktop. Headings dot html as an extension. All files save. Now see in the browser. You can see that it shows 3 headings. This is the H1, this is H2, and this is H3. These are 3 headings. Browsers automatically add some empty space, that is margin, before and after each heading. You can see a white space at left side and at upper side of this heading. This is automatically come from the browser. You can also add in the styles, cascading style sheet. We will learn about that in the next tutorials, but here it is just about heading. And headings are important. Use HTML headings for headings only. Do not use headings to make the text big or bolder. If we do so, then what happens? Then search engine use your headings to index the structure and content of your web page. So you should use the headings where these are important. In other side, users scan your pages by its headings. Users also examine or see your page by seeing your headings. It is important to use heading to show the document structure. H1 heading should be main heading, followed by the H2 heading, then the less important heading H3, and so on. The next thing is the HTML horizontal rule. Let's take 3 paragraphs. I have taken 3 paragraphs. Now if we put HR tag between these paragraphs, then what happens? It will display a line between each paragraph where we put HR tag. Let's see in the browser. Refresh. You can see that it is displaying a line between the paragraphs. As we have used 2 HR tags, so then it is showing 2 lines between the paragraphs. The next thing is the HTML head element, which should be displayed in between HTML tag and between body tag. HTML head elements has nothing to do with HTML headings. HTML head element contains metadata. Metadata are not displayed. HTML head elements is placed between HTML tag and the body tag, as I already mentioned. Metadata means data about data. HTML metadata is data about the HTML document, and HTML title element. HTML title element is metadata. It defines the HTML document title. The title will not be displayed in the document but might be displayed in the browser tab. So here is the title. It will display at our browser tab. And what is this? This is meta, about the character set. HTML meta elements also metadata. It can be used to define the character set and other information about the HTML document. The more meta elements are the style element and the link element. Style element is used to define the internal CSS style sheets, and the link element is used to define the external CSS style sheets. And the other thing is how we can see the these code in the browser. Let's open the browser, refresh, and my first check. Then when you want to see the code, just right click, click view page source. In it is written as in the Chrome, but in Internet Explorer you see just view source. This is not so much different. You can click at view page source and you can see all the code which I have written in the HTML document. So this is the HTML heading. These are HTML headings. We will learn more about in the next tutorials. Take care till the next tutorial.